How's it going, everybody? Look at this pufferfish. This is a map puffer, and as often we're diving in Darwin on Negros Island in the Philippines, and look at the dissented gut of this fish. Now, I am not sure what's going on here. This is unusual. This is not how this fish usually look, and I am not sure what the issue is here. There are two possible explanations which come to my mind. One is that fish could be gravid. It could be a female with a lot of eggs. Now, the other explanation could be that fish is sick, it's suffering from some infection, or it's suffering from a parasite or a lot of parasites. Now, what is in favor of the hypothesis that this fish is gravid? Well, it's not particularly acting in a sick way. So the fish is not, obviously in distress. What is in favor of the parasite hypothesis? Normally, gravid fish would be round, and this fish actually looks relatively skinny with this hanging stomach. So what's going on there? I really don't know. If any fish biologists among my viewers who are experts on this pufferfish know, please get in touch, leave a comment. Now, in order for you to chill out a little bit, I'm gonna show you some beautiful footage. I think it's beautiful, of schooling fish. So these are anthiases and dactyloses above a block of corals, and we're gonna look at some snappers later. As usual, like, subscribe, leave a comment, send me fan mail or hate mail if you want to support the channel more. There and directly, there is my PayPal in the description, and see you later.